Wait, did someone just say you can start affiliate marketing for $1? Yeah, I didn't believe it either. But then I actually tried the $1 cash system. And honestly, for beginners who want passive income without risking anything, this might be the simplest entry point I've ever seen in the make money online world. So in this review, I'm breaking down the $1 cash system, what it really is, how it works, and whether that tiny $1 can actually teach you affiliate marketing in a practical way. Here's the cool part. You get guaranteed affiliate approval, no rejection stress. You get 100% front-end commissions, so even one sale puts you in profit. It's fully done for you. No website, no funnels, no skills needed. And you finally get to learn by doing instead of drowning in endless tutorials. I'll be honest, most beginners give up before they even get started because everything looks too complicated or too expensive. But the $1 cash system is basically saying, relax, start small, experiment, learn the flow. And that mindset alone makes it beginner-friendly. When I tested it, the most interesting part wasn't even the commission. It was seeing how a real affiliate funnel works from the inside. It finally clicked how people get traffic, how sales pages convert, how bonuses are stacked, stuff I wish I knew earlier. For anyone curious about passive income or affiliate marketing but scared to jump into expensive programs, this is honestly the cheapest and safest way to get real exposure. $1 to understand the system behind online earnings? That's wild. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't a magic money button. You still need curiosity and effort. But as a first step into affiliate marketing, the $1 cash system delivers exactly what it promises, a no-pressure starter experience. If you want to see what I saw and you're ready to test a $1 shortcut into the affiliate world, check the bio link. It might just be the first step you've been waiting for.